Hi there, Mark Bowden here, expert in human behaviour and body language, and I help people all over the world to stand out, win trust, gain credibility every time they communicate, including some of the leaders of the G7. Now look, have you noticed with some people that you see, they are incredibly successful, and yet they don't seem to know much more than you do, or I do. They're incredibly successful. They have a huge impact on the world around them. When they get an idea, people crowd behind that idea and they follow it, and they're able to help other people get things done. And it doesn't seem like they have a great deal more intelligence or knowledge or know-how than you and I. In fact, have you noticed that sometimes you go, I think they know a little bit less than me, and they're way more successful. And that's super annoying, okay, isn't it? It's just kind of annoying. Now, what do I think the secret is that they have that you could have as well? Well, it's confidence in their communication. Look, it doesn't matter how good your idea is. If you can't get a whole bunch of people behind it, it's not getting done. And that's what I want to get done with you in this course. How do you most confidently communicate in every situation? And how do you do that with nonverbal communication, what most people call body language? How can you use your body language to stand out, to win trust, to gain credibility every time you communicate in your business, in your community? I don't know, to sell more, to lead better, to have a better time in general, to make meetings flow more smoothly. We're going to be looking at how exactly you can move your body, how exactly you can use the space, how that affects your brain and what you'll end up saying, and ultimately how that affects other people's judgments about you, because they judge you just like you're judging me right now. They judge you, and their judgment about you makes up their biggest idea about what they believe you've said and who they believe you are. So look, if you want people to believe the best about you because you are brilliant at what you do, follow this course. I guarantee you're going to come out of it with confidence in every communication you make. I'll see you there.